So now let's learn how to use styling in Next.js. So we have two types of styling that you already know. So let me show you. So let's say we have these buttons here, which are post user, get users, and update user. So we can simply set the styling in the styles folder. We have global styling and module styling, also called component styling. So in global.css, let me write a styling for button and simply make background color as, let's say, white. Then let's make color as black. Yes. Height, let's say 20 pixels. Width 300 pixels, and save this combination. You will see the button styling has been changed. We can also make this as red. Okay, now it's bright red. Make it white again and it's like this with the color as black. Fine. This was the global styling in CSS. We don't need to import anything. Just add the button, or maybe if I have an H1, we can do that. So let me just remove or comment out these input values or inputs. Yes, let me remove them. I will bring it back again. Yes, yes. So also delete this. Maybe I will not bring it back again. Delete the functions and all the states. We have simply this thing. Remove the functions here, like on click get user, users, on click post user, and update users, whatever. So we have the buttons here. We only need one, so remove the rest. So simply say this is a button called click me. Save. You will have a button like click me here. Okay. Now let me add an h1 tag here and say hello world. Save. And one h1 will be here. In the h1, let me write color as red. And it will be red. If we make this as blue or black, this will be black. Or any other color like yellow. Yellow. We cannot see this. It's too bright. So make it as black again. Fine. So this was the one page, which is the home page. So what other pages do we have here? Let me check. So we have the profile page, I guess. So if we go to the profile, you will see this is the profile page. Where is the page? I guess this one. We can, okay. We have this is the profile page here. So if you check color, or if you change color, let's say red, maybe we have to make this as h1 also, not h2. Then let's see what happens. So save this and this. This is red, and the text on home page is also red, which is the h1 tag, this h1. So global styling, if we apply it, it will apply in each and every page. If we are importing it on the entry point of the application. So the entry point of the application is underscore app.js. So if I remove the import from here, we will not see the styling here. And that is how we import styling. So in this case, @ means the root folder. Then we have styles, which is this page. Then we have global.css. The other method to import this is doing this thing, which is not great. This page could not be found. Okay. Maybe we have to do not like this. Let me see. Yes, this now works like this. To import global styling, we have to do @styles global.css. Fine. One second. What if we try it this way? Because I don't know what will happen. Styles. Okay. The thing is, we are saying home module here in the styles, not the global.css. That's also a thing, because we can only import the module like this, which is home.module.css, for example. So to import global styling, this is a command or the import function method. Now, what about the module? So in this pages, let me import this home.module.css, which is, this is the home page. Yes, so we can import styles from, okay, double dots slash styles slash home.module.css. Fine. So say we want to change the color of this h1 to blue. So we can simply say h1 style. This will be styles dot the styling. I mean in the, let me write this one. So let me say heading. In the heading, let's write the color to be blue. So in the module.css, we have a heading class which has the color of blue. Here we can simply, if we do styles dot heading, 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 and save, say refresh it. Okay, style prop expect this. I think that's wrong. Maybe we have to check somewhere. Let me check styling in Next.js. Yes, this is the Next.js documentation. This one is global. This is the, yes, global. Let me come down here. Okay, not this. Maybe. Okay. Sorry. This should be class name. Yes. How do I forgot this? I am very good in React, but how did I forget this? So you have to use h1 class name styles that we imported from here dot heading. The heading being the class that we are having. Now, if you check the other page, the heading will not change. I mean the heading color, because this is not global. This is component styling that we only use for a component. Fine. Okay. So this is how global styling that comes from global.css works, and the module styling, which is also called CSS modules. If you want to create one module, we can say profile.module.css. In here, let me make one h1 again. Sorry, not h1. Let's say heading. Color as, let's say, this blue violet. Now let me import this module into the profile page. Yes. So to import this, we can simply do import styles from the route that we have, which is, I think, two dots, then again two dots, styles slash profile.module.css. So in here, let me make class name as styles dot heading, heading. Save, and this will be now purple. This is now blue, and this one is purple. Okay, so this is how it works. I thought you got it. Okay, we can also import, or let me at least try to import the module the way it is in the underscore app.js. So let me copy this import and simply paste it here. Rename the global to profile.module.css. So refresh this, and it is working. Perfect. So if I just make an error here, say this is called profile.modules.css, we will get an error that this does not exist, cannot resolve this route. But if we bring it back, it comes back. So this also is how we can make the styling using CSS modules. Okay, fine.